In this video, I would like to show you how you can purchase minutes for international calling. What you require to do is just dial star 100 and hash, then press OK in your Safaricom SIM. Then you wait the USSD to run. Then you just get into this interface. What you require to do, just choose option 3 where we have product and services, then click send. Then after getting to this interface, you just need to choose international calling, which is at option number 8, then click send. Then you have various offers here where you can purchase the package of your choice, either weekly, monthly, or whatever case. But this package allows you to purchase calling minute for which you can use to contact people in USA, Canada, or India. So we can try and purchase 30 minute worth 30 shillings, which amount to 20 minutes for valid for 2 hours, calling into this designated country, USA and Canada. So let's try and purchase. So you just follow the normal way how you purchase minute. You can either purchase using airtime, M-Pesa, or another number, and this is the package which you are given for international calling. So I don't have a person who I can contact who is in those countries, so there is no need of buying these many since they're just going to errors. But that is the process which you should follow. If it is M-Pesa, you should choose option 2 and then accept, and then continue entering your PIN and buy the minute. So basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up so that you will not be missing out any of our future running content like this. This is the easiest way how to contact someone who is abroad very easily without incurring significant cost, since you can be able to speak with somebody with someone in these countries using the bare minimum amount. Thank you for watching and God bless you.